rin alam. Signal, signal kung game.
Narrator.
Signal kung game. Pakisabi ha.
Ano ba nila pinutol-putol ba? Sana yung narrator ganun.
Ayun po. Isa lang po yung narrator doon.
Hindi ko makita. Mas ng bisto. Mas ng tsura eh.
Sa LED po si Eto po. Papuntay mo si Ma'am Jelly dito para alam niya kung kailan ang post. Play na ma'am.
This girl could be the one to break the spell.
Ladies and gentlemen, please witness the magical performance of Grade 3 BB Beauty and the Beast, where Belle fell in love with the Beast.
Oo na lang
As Belle's first escape in solitude within the chambers, a somber darkness befalls the realm. Meanwhile, amidst the door of the castle's halls, the Beast and his esteemed companions engage in discourse befitting their regal pose.
Game na ba?
Yes, I have. I'm not a fool. Good. So you fall in love with her, she falls in love with you, and poof, the spell is broken. We'll be human again by midnight.
Oh, it's not that easy. You only have these things take time.
But the rose has already begun to wilt. It's no use. She's so beautiful, and well, look at me.
Oh, you must help her to see past all that.
I don't know how.
Well, you can start by making yourself more presentable. Straighten up. Try to act like a gentleman.
Ah, yes. When she comes in, give her a dashing, debonair smile. Come, show me the smile.
But don't frighten the poor girl.
Impress her with your rapier wit.
So be gentle.
Shower her with compliments.
But be sincere.
And above all, you must control your temper.
Ma chérie, mademoiselle, exploitez this pride and the latest pleasure that you welcome you tonight. And now, we invite you to relax and just pull up a chair as the dining room loudly presents your dinner. Be our guest, be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, sherry, and we'll invite the rest.
Tuloy lang.
Why did you come here?
I'm sorry.
Belle brought the beast to the palace.
Tinapos.
In their splendid tapestry of their intertwined destinies, Belle and the Beast found not only camaraderie, but both an affection that blossomed into the most noble tale, transcending the barriers of the mundane to embrace the sublime ardor of true love.